Hi, Dave here. So you may have heard last week that the Evaders team released a jailbreak for iOS7 a little earlier than a lot of people probably were expecting, and I thought I'd do a quick video on how to jailbreak your iOS7 device. This will work with any iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch that's running iOS 7.0 through to 7.0.4. And I'm happy to report that the process is fully accessible with the VoiceOver screen reader if you're visually impaired like myself. You won't have any issues, and I believe that's true on the Windows side as well, though I haven't actually tried that myself. The first thing that they'd recommend is that you do a backup of your device, either through iCloud or iTunes. Just in case anything was to go wrong, you want to be able to restore your device, but it's a pretty simple process, so hopefully there won't be any issues. The other thing that the Jailbreak team recommend is that if your most recent update of iOS was done over the air, that's by going to the software update section in general settings on the device itself. That can cause issues with a jailbreak, so they'd recommend that you go to iTunes and plug your device in and do a full reinstall of the operating system in iTunes. So I'll show you what I mean there.
Dock. iTunes. Open.
iTunes window.
So if you plug your device in and you've got iTunes open and go to the device in iTunes under the Summary tab, there is a Restore button.
Dave's that you're Capet 2 CC check Restore iPod button.
There it is there beside the check for updates button, and that will fully reinstall iOS, and then you can restore all your apps and settings from your backup. But like I say, that's only necessary if your last update was done over the air. Beyond that, then we can just go to Safari and download the jailbreak tool.
Finder, desktop, VoiceOver settings activity, dock, Safari, open. Safari, top sites window, toolbar.
And the website that we're going to is www.evasion.com.
You are currently on a toolbar,
which has evasion spelt as EVASI0N.
Open location, WWEVAS on A 0 N period OM on iOS 0 and iOS7.x jailbreak official website of the about 3RS.
And this website has links for the tool to download onto Mac, Windows, and I think Linux as well. I'm on a Mac, so I'm just going to look for the Mac link.
iOS 0 picture of download for Windows, download for Mac OS 10. iOS 0 and download for Mac OS 10 link.
And click that link, and this will take us to another page.
Press download for Mac OS 10. iOS 0 and download for Mac OS 10 link image. 80 blank iOS pre-download 15.4 MB button.
And on this new page there is a download button, so I'll just press that.
Press download 15.4 MB button. You are currently on a button inside of HTML content. To click this button, press Control Option Space. Stop interacting with toolbar.
I'm going to go up to the downloads window in my toolbar.
Interact. Downloads but clear. 3 clear table. Interact. iOS 0 and 7 iOS 0 in show in Finder 16.2 MB.
So that has downloaded successfully. So I'm just going to close Safari.
You are currently on a text element inside of a group. Finder, desktop, stuff, 15 items folder.
Now we can go to the downloads folder and find the app.
You are current. Documents alias, downloads downloads window. Image browser. Interact with absent Mac 2.0.4. iOS 0 and 7 Mac 1.0.1 FD124A1637660F58.
So this is a DMG folder, so I'm just going to open the folder.
Open Finder item. iOS 0 and 7 Mac 1.0.1 FD124A1637660F5845A02F. System has new window. iOS 0 and 7. Image browser group. Interact with image browser group. 2i readme.txt plain text document.
So we have a README file and we have the actual app.
iOS 0 and 7 app application.
I'm going to copy this app and paste it into my applications folder.
Copy iOS 0 and 7 app. Close window. Downloads window. Close window. Desktop. SkyDrive alias. Applications. 7 item. Image browser group.
And paste it in here.
Paste item.
And now I'm going to go and
interact with Alfred.app application. iOS 0 and 7 app application.
And if you just left click on this, or with VoiceOver if you VO
You are
spacebar on
currently on
this.
application inside of a group.
It's probably not going to open due to security features on Mac OS. So what you need to do is right click, or with VoiceOver VO Shift and M to open the context menu.
Menu. Open.
And then go to open.
iOS 0 application alert system dialog. Safari downloaded this file today at 232 help button. Show web page cancel open button.
And then in the dialog box confirm that you want to open the app.
You are currently on the button. To click this button, iOS 0 and 7, iOS 0 and 7, version 1.0.1 window, Activate 3RS button has keyboard focus.
And
Image.
the top.
Welcome. iOS 0 and 7 is an untethered jailbreak for iOS 7.x. Connect your iPhone, iPod Touch, or iPad to begin.
Okay, so now we're going to connect my iPod Touch.
You are currently on a text element.
Charging device battery, 100%. Image, 2324.
Welcome. iPod Touch 5G iOS 7.0.4 is supported. Click Jailbreak to begin.
And as you can see and hear there, it is supported. So
You
I
are
can
currently
now
on a text
go and find the jailbreak button.
image. 0% jailbreak button. Activate 3RS button. Image. Welcome. Upload and jailbreak data.
And now near the top of the window, we now get updates on
You are currently on a text.
what the tool is actually doing.
Welcome. Upload and jailbreak data. Image. 17% progress indicator.
And we get a percentage.
Jailbreak. Dim button. 20% progress indicator. Jailbreak. Dim
I'm just
button.
going to pause the recording for a moment while it does this. It takes about 5 minutes or so to go through the
You
whole
are currently on a
process.
button. This item is dimmed.
And your device will reboot a few times as well. So if you see your device shutting down and starting up, that's part of the process as well. So I'll just pause for a moment. Okay, and so when the process gets to 54%, you'll get a message telling you to unlock your device, keeping it attached to the computer, but unlock and tap on an evasion icon that is now on the screen. So I'm just going to do that now, and I will see if I can get the screen up for you here as well. Okay, so here is the
2329.
iPhone or iPod Touch.
Unlock. Unlock. Fake Messenger. Page 2 of 2. iOS 0 and 7.
And there we see on page 2, it's put an icon that says Evasion 7. So we just tap that once, or if you're a VoiceOver user, then double tap, the same way you'd select any icon on your home screen. So you just need to tap it.
iOS 0 and 7.
And then we just leave it to go about its work again.
iOS 0 and 7, iOS 0 and 7, version 1.0, space with app, rebooting device. Image, 66, jailbreak, 66% progress indicator.
And again, now it's just gone through the process. And once again,
You are currently on a progress indicator.
it will reboot your device a few times, but there's nothing else that you have to do now. It'll just reach the end of the process and reboot the device a few times.
Jailbreak, 66% progress indicator.
So I'm just going to pause again here, because again, it's just going through the process automatically.
You are currently on a progress indicator.
Okay, and when it gets to 100%, it will say done, and you can exit the app.
Image, 1 exit button. Prep Finder, desktop, SkyDrive alias.
And now
You are currently on alias.
iPhone or iPod Touch or iPad will restart again. So this is the last reboot, I believe. So I'm just waiting now for it to reboot again. Okay, so that last reboot took a couple of minutes actually. It was a bit longer than the other reboots, and you will have seen a Evaders logo on the screen for some of the time. But once it has rebooted for this last time, you'll now find a Cydia icon on one of your home screens. So I'm going to go over to home screen 2.
Extras folder. Cydia.
and there is Cydia, and Cydia is basically the app store for the Jailbreak community. So if you double tap on this the first time you open Cydia, it's going to want to download some updates and install some files and that kind of thing. So we just tap on this icon, or double tap if you're using VoiceOver.
Cydia. Cydia. Preparing filler system.
And we get this screen here.
Cydia will exit when complete.
So when this is finished, Cydia will automatically close. And then the device will do a very short reboot, and now when we go back into Cydia, we can actually use it.
Unlock. Button. Fantastical. Page 1 of 2. Adjust. Game Center. Cydia.
So I open Cydia again.
Cydia. Who are you? Heading.
And here we are. And the first thing it's going to ask you is who you are. So are you a user, a hacker, or a developer?
Not all of the packet. User. Button.
So just select user.
Selected. User. 1 of 3. Done. Button.
And press done in the top right corner.
In progress. Home. About. Button.
And here we are. And this is Cydia.
Cydia. Sections. Tab. Changes. Tab. Manage. Tab. Search. Tab. 5 of 5.
And it works in a similar way to most iOS apps. And this is where you will get all of your apps and tweaks from jailbreakers. And that's basically how easy it is to jailbreak your iOS 7 device. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks a million.